I'm gonna ride with Kenny and Friends. Yes. So yeah, man, tomorrow's my birthday. I'm gonna be the big old 3-0. What the fuck? Where did the time go? Also, I removed the silencer on my exhaust. So I don't know how it's gonna sound. Alright, man. Alright, it's not too bad outside. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing fine. It's cloudy, but it's not wet. No, I'm sorry. It's cloudy and it's wet, but it's not raining. Oh yeah, Kenny still has his teddy bear because he's single as fuck. So we're gonna get all the attentions. Every single one of the attentions. By the way, I have no idea where we're gonna go today. I think my bike feels better somehow. It might be me though. I finally washed it.
Huh?
I finally washed it.
Yeah, I know. Looks good.
So hey, I see Tyler up there.
Yeah,
Right behind. Yeah. Yeah, he's facing the other way. He's facing that way. And here we are. What is that metal sound? Oh, that's him putting on his... Okay. You can hear me? What, really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Are you in here?
Holy shit.
What?
That was loud.
It's wet.
Michael?
He can't hear you.
You know the way?
Do you know the way?
Follow the commander. I'm the captain now. The captain.
Do you know the way? I spit on you. I thought I did, but my camera died, apparently. So you gotta try it again. Ooh, nice. What? What's that? I hear yelling, but it's not audible. This guy's P9. P9. Tyler,
Alright.
I hope you're stuck.
Hey, Reek, look at this. I broke it.
You broke what? What'd you break?
My phone holder.
Ha!
What a sucker.
I'm just recording how much Tyler is a douche right now.
Shut up.
Tyler, you're a douche. He has a smile on his face though. Oh, he's gonna jump it. Oh, I didn't jump it.
Holy shit.
What?
It's just crackling as fuck.
Whose? Yours is crackling.
No, it's not. Shut up.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
Try it again. Say something. Ah! Ah! Say something.
Is it crackling?
No, you're good. Say, how much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Is it me?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna turn this shit off.
No.
No, it's not. Because as long as you don't talk, it doesn't crackle. But you can still hear us, and every now and then you can talk, we hear you just fine.
It's bullshit.
But when you try to like spit out a bunch of words at one time, it's like crackle. I don't know.
Good now.
It's hit or miss. Yeah, whatever.
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He's saying something.
You can hear Eric.
There we go. I hear you. Hey, buddy. Oh, how's it going?
Michael, say something.
Nothing.
Okay, good.
I'm the intercom god.
No, you're not.
Whatever. God, one of you guys' mics are retarded.
Mine is retarded.
She's gonna want my.
Hey, Michael, are you going left? Nice.
Tyler, you can't top that.
Hey, Tyler, show us your dank wheelie.
Hey, woolies, bro.
That was it.
Hey. I think this is where he comes to practice his wheelies.
So loud.
I've got snot.
Look at all the donuts here.
Hey, let me have one. I'll take a frosted with jelly.
Ooh. Ooh, you need to get a new tab soon.
Who, me?
Yeah.
I thought he was wearing headphones, but that's his hair.
That is the ugliest haircut in the world.
Does that make you feel better about yours, Tyler?
Yeah.
It should. That's a big... Bodacious booty.
Oh.
Tyler, what does bodacious mean?
I don't know. I didn't know what you were doing.
So I just dropped my bike, you guys. It was parked and it just like fell over, dudes. Oh well. Oh, I have them at home already. I just didn't want to have to use them. You guys ready? I'm ready. Quit looking at it. You're not making it better. I dropped my bike.
It's actually not that bad.
If, as long as this didn't break completely, so I'm good. Yo,
Come on, who has my key? Someone has my key.
this is gonna be a bad memory. Every time I come here, it's gonna be the place where I dropped my bike. You can't see me, but I'm sad.
My key was in my ignition. Look at your back tire. That little nut.
This thing?
Yeah.
The spool. Good thing I bought it. Shit. Peg got scraped. Oh, the rear fairing got scraped. I'm sorry, baby. I didn't mean it. I should be more careful next time.
I think next time I get a helmet, I'm going to get a regular full helm
Oh.
instead of the module, because there's just so much wind noise that comes into my helmet.
Yep. Just get a regular one. It's worth it.
Yeah. Oh. Stupid ass.
What do you do?
He was in my lane with me.
Hey, Ty, we lost Kenny. He cut him off earlier. Ah.
I know, I kept looking back to see if you guys were following, but I couldn't see you.
No, I was telling Eric the same thing. I was like, yeah, usually he gets kind of mad, he'll follow somebody, and he'll fizzle out and come back to the group.
Yep.
So I just banked on you coming back to the group, but you never did, so then I chased you down.
And then our centers worked together for once.
Yeah, and then me and Eric talked, and we had a good time without you boys. R16 right here, bitches. The teddy bear's leaning right or left a little bit. Is it leaning a little bit, Eric?
Nah, a little.
It's rather windy out.
It's rather windy.
A little bit.
It looks rather windy out there.
Oh god, it's windy as fuck. I got some Vagisil at home if you want to use it.
The what?
Vagisil.
Vagisil?
Yeah.
For who?
Whoever was bitching about it being too windy.
Hey Kenny, I'm gonna tickle your bear.
What? What are you going to do?
I'm gonna tickle his bear.
Yeah.
Tickle,
All I'm
tickle,
hearing
tickle.
is I'm going to tickle, and then I can't hear the last one.
That looks sketchy right now. You want to tickle my bear.
Oh, tickle your bear.
Yeah. I thought it was butt.
No, not his
I'm gonna
butt.
tickle your butt.
I already did that earlier. I thought that was a Krispy Kreme sign.
Man, how is Tyler keeping up a faster pace than you two?
Oh, well, I'm just messing with his bear, that's all.
Ooh, pothole, watch it.
What?
Butthole.
Oh, I thought you said butthole.
Why is that guy stopped? Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, what the fuck, over?
No,
Hang on, he might be turning left. Watch out.
Who, me?
He didn't even use his blinker. He just got over.
Eric, I used to live right there.
In the auto zone?
Hey, we didn't ask. We don't care, Tyler. Shut up.
In the auto zone? See,
We didn't ask you.
he
He lives in the auto zone. Yeah.
in the auto zone or that little lot over there?
The little lot.
Oh, the empty lot over there?
Yeah.
Hey, if we point a lot, if we just point, everybody just starts looking at us. My bike pulls to the right.
If you crash it.
No, I mean it does that before. Like if I let go, it does this. Like
At least you don't lean off to the side or left anymore.
ever since you made me self-conscious about it.
I'm sorry.
But I mean, no, it's true though. It's just I didn't think it was that apparent.
They have a beehive. Look at that.
Ooh, I want to be high.
50.
Yeah, let go and it pulls to the right.
You're dead right now.
I didn't know if you were doing it intentionally or an accident or what was going on. I just noticed it and I said it.
Do this, and then do this. Script?
Back up.
No, we just hang out here until the cops come by and say, hey, can you guys please move? Yeah.
Be like, yeah, we can. You want us to?
Yeah, I'm more than
dancing for 'em.
capable. I'm more than capable of moving. Yes, sir.
Stay. Don't f***ing move.
And I'm not going to turn it off.
What, the headset?
Yeah.
Okay. I was actually going to turn it off. Testing, testing, testing. Testing, testing, testing. Oh well. So we tried connecting, but it's not working. The centers are so frustrating. I know that's a lot easier than it is, but it really is not. Pretty crazy day. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this craziness of today. Getting lost, so many disruptions. Dropped my bike. I just turned around, it was on the floor, man. Oh well, I'm not gonna let it bug me. It's got scars, I have scars. Fuck it.